Everybody gets a golf ball size of Model Magic. I want you to take this and split it in half. You have 2 pieces now. Split those in half. So now you have 4 equal pieces. Put 3 of those to the side. We're gonna take this piece and actually split it in half again. And I'm gonna take a little bit, so I have 2 balls of clay. One is a little bit bigger than the other. Now I'm gonna roll this larger one, and I wanna flatten it out like a pancake. And then I'm gonna pinch the bottom. So what I'm creating is the head, the skull to my skeleton. Like that. See that? And I'm gonna glue that down on the top of my paper. This piece, I'm gonna divide it in half and roll. And roll. I'm gonna roll one kind of long to be the spine. And let me put a little glue down there. This one is gonna be the shoulders. Just like that. Shoulders, spine. Now I wanna take one of these pieces and also tear it in half. Roll it up. Flatten it out like a circle. And this is gonna be my pelvic bone. And in fact, it's almost like an upside down heart. Now this extra little piece I wanna take and make 3 little pieces. Even though you actually have a lot of ribs, we're just gonna kind of make 6. So I'm gonna roll it like this. Oh, in fact, I could make more. 1, 2, just gluing them straight across. And when I press down, I don't even need the glue. 3, I think I have space right in here for one more. You do have more than this, but this is all we're gonna use. You get the idea. Let me grab one of my bigger pieces. Make it in half again, and half again, and I'm gonna make arms. You can do whatever you want with your arms. Maybe this arm will be bent into a wave. That needs some glue. You could make yours doing a dance move, like dabbing. It doesn't have a hand yet. I like the idea of mine walking or running or something. This arm is kind of long, so I think I'm gonna take the end there, create like a hand just with a ball. Just do kind of a little ball. I can take some of this little piece here and make a hand on this side. Whoop. Let's do some legs. We have these. I'm gonna split them in half and create the thigh. I think the thigh is actually a muscle, not a bone. So what bone is in the top part of your leg? I don't know. I'm gonna have mine go in the same direction. And then I can take this piece, split it in half, split it in half. Whoop, rolling it out. And then I have enough here to create feet. That's a big foot. Maybe my skeleton is wearing boots. Converse. And I even have a little piece left. Maybe I'll make another rib. There we go. Now just put your picture to the side, your skeleton, and you're gonna think about decorating. So you have tissue paper, foam paper, little pom-poms, and some beads, which are pretty cool. In fact, I am gonna use these two for eyes on mine. Look at that. I could use a little bit of glue, but they probably stick into the Model Magic pretty well. Let's give it a try. Yeah, I like that a lot. It's up to you. I am gonna make some flowers to put around the top of the skull. To do this, let's cut small squares. I'm gonna go down to a corner here and just cut off a corner. And I can just take these and I'm gonna kind of fold them and crumple them up, just like that, to make little flowers. And I will just make a line of glue across the top of the head. Stick my flowers on it. Some other decorations you can think about. If I'm using the foam paper, you want it to be symmetrical. A lot of these designs are the same on both sides. So I think that I will take some foam and fold it in half and cut some shapes. Or just take two small pieces on top of each other. I could cut the corners, and now I've got little triangles. I could cut little teardrop shapes. If it helps you, you can draw on the foam first, like this. If I want to do a spiral, I would cut a circle by turning, cutting, and turning. Instead of cutting it off, look, just like when you draw it, I'm going inside the spiral, inside that circle. I'll cut this part off, and that is a pretty cool shape. Maybe I could use that for something. Definitely want to do some flowers. Lots of flowers. I could continue to use the tissue paper flowers, but I could cut a design out of the foam as well. I am just going to do little bumps as I turn. sort of a flower shape like this. Maybe I could get yellow foam to put inside it, or I'm gonna use my little beads that we have and glue a piece to the inside to create the pollen. I don't really like those. I'm creating texture. Maybe I'll get some more of these pom-poms. Create some other designs. See what you can come up with.